Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am going to analyze for your next week gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with the gold trading at the get the more profit with the accurate gold analysis with signals. Link is below. You can join with Telegram link and VIP group is for you for gold trading. So what is the going on next week? You can see the my pattern yellow color line, that is the candle pattern is price ranging. This is the last week high, this is the low, that is the last week price ranging in 2060 from to 2000 level. So that is the ranging area price last week. So 2060 2000 is the level. 2000 level is still not break, that the strong data needs to break the 2000 level, and 2060 level is still not break, that also need strong data to break that level. So technically this seeing I am picture, this is the picture, this is the trend line. Price has reacted several times below, so I am expecting economic data will powerful price drop to 2000 level again. So I like to tell you the geopolitical tension. So next week geopolitical tension will affect to market with the Israel Palestine war or more news with the war, that will the gold price increase to the upside. So that with what I am saying, geopolitical tension will continue next week, that the gold price demand to the upside. So you will touch with the geopolitical impact, what is the growth, what is going on. That's impact gold will demand increase to the upside. That is the recent geopolitical tension. You will touch with next week also, what is the geopolitical tension is continuing. So if not continuing geopolitical tension much more, gold price drop to again 2000 level with the dollar strong, dollar positive with the data. So next week GDP US dollar is there, that is the valuable economic data. You will touch with the Federal Reserve American Central Bank 4.9 is the previous one. So Fed expect to drop to 2%. So GDP drop to 2% or below, that is the gold price retest 2040 level again. So that is the economic data next week. Gross domestic product quietly report will drop to the 2% again. That will help to test 2040 level and dropped again. That is the my data, economic data. Next week you will touch Fed watch tool website March FOMC meeting. You can see 48% drop to the rate cut. So rate cut forecast is continuing to drop. That will help to dollar demand. You can see the Fed member Bostic is commenting that is for Fed Bostic comment open to changing outlook on rate cut timing. So rate cut timing is need to changing. So that is the dollar demand comments, that the hawkish comments from the FOMC member. You will touch with this rate cut in this year. So March FOMC meeting is dropped to the rate cut forecast, that will help to dollar demand. So let's go to the technical analysis next week, what is going on. So I am seeing this type of pattern is continuing. So this is the left shoulder head and right shoulder. This is the pattern I am seeing. I am in a 4-hour chart. You can see this pattern is the head, left shoulder head, and the right shoulder will continuing next week. This is the famous reversal pattern. Also is the trading persons known this pattern. This is the head and shoulder pattern. I have seen technically this type of pattern will continuing next week, and I hope to price drop again 2000 level. So you have a sell opportunity next week also. So my first target is the 2000 level, and January 31st is a FOMC meeting. That is the main forecast economic event this month. So that is the first target. 2005 is the first target. So that is the level, and then that's the price dropped, and that is then retest and again dropped. That is the my next level target is the strong support level in 1980 area. 1980 area is the next strong support. So I am hoping pulp price will continue to the downside 1980 levels to the next level, next second level target to 2005 is the first target, and then strong support is 1980 area with the dollar strong with the positive of US dollar. I am hoping gold price will drop to the next weeks. That is the forecast next week. So economic data touch with the Federal Reserve American Central Bank what is saying, and the get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation, and the risk management is the key for trading, is the money management key. So thank you very much.